Good PM. Ngayon po ay Tuesday, October 31, 2023. At ito po ang mga resulta ng 2 PM digit games na 2D Lotto at 3D Lotto. 2D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong Tuesday, October 31, 2023. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na number na lumabas para sa 2D Lotto 2 PM. 3D Lotto 2 PM result ngayong October 31, 2023 Tuesday. Ito po ang mga sumusunod na numero lumabas para sa 3D Lotto 2 PM. 'See you again later for 5 PM result of 2D Lotto and 3D Lotto for Tuesday, October 31, 2023. Here are the tonight's minimum jackpot prices for Lotto 642 is 89 million pesos. For Super Lotto 649, the jackpot price estimates is 89 million pesos. And for Ultra Lotto 658, the jackpot price is 89 million pesos for October 31, 2023, Tuesday. Thank you for watching this 2 PM video for afternoon of Tuesday, October 31, 2023. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more Lotto result update.